Hey, what's up UHS hardware fans? It's me, Louie, here today behind the UHS building, checking out this 2021 Lincoln Navigator. I'm going to be adding an all-new smart key to this vehicle. Using the IM508. Should be simple. We'll find out together. Let's do it. All right, so all functions on this remote work just fine. Let's go ahead and check out the keyless entry. Everything's working great. This key program is super easy, no problems, easy to work with, easy to program, thanks to the Autel IM508 and Keyless Factory's remotes. If you're interested in checking out any of the items that you saw in this video today, go ahead and check them out at www.uhs-hardware.com. We're gonna have all the items you saw here, including this key and the IM508, in the description below. Also below in the description, we have a list of links for all of our social media. If you want to follow along and check it out, it's all there for you. Make sure you're following along with our channel and that you like this video, and click the bell icon so that you can be alerted every time a new video comes out. Thanks again for coming by and checking it out. We can't do any of this without you guys. Thank you. Have a great one. We'll see you next time.